Hey floor cleaners, it's John here, and in this video I want to talk about how renting a booth at industry specific events can take your floor cleaning business to the next level. If you've never heard of me before, my name's John Williams and I run a company called AGB, or How to Grow Business, and we specialize in one industry and one industry only, the floor cleaning industry, and we specialize in one thing only: getting floor cleaning businesses like yours booked out with jobs on autopilot using our specialist digital marketing system. I'm on a personal mission to try and help as many floor cleaning businesses as humanly possible not just survive but thrive, whether that's through working with us on a one-on-one basis inside our program or through this YouTube channel. So without further ado, let's dive right in. How renting a booth at industry-specific events can boost your business. Industry-specific trade shows are an amazing, excellent opportunity to promote your floor cleaning business to a large audience. They offer an opportunity to interact with potential customers, to generate inquiries, and also an opportunity to partner with maybe some larger companies that can send business your way and vice versa. So there's an amazing opportunity for you here in terms of your floor cleaning business to really take things to a huge level just by taking part in an expo and having a booth at something like that. Getting a booth at an industry specific trade show is the perfect way to present yourself as the dominating floor cleaning service in the area and make all the necessary connections, like I said, with future customers, future business partners, other businesses that you can partner with that you can send business each other's way to, and you might be able to secure some pretty big commercial contracts and stuff like that. When choosing what sort of booth to rent and what kind of event to go to, here are a few important factors. Location, as you look for work in the areas that are within your reach. So my thing here is ultimately what you don't want to do is, let's say there's some big trade show, but it's an international event and you've got people coming from all over the world and you're like a local carpet cleaner that just serves that city and that city only. That's probably not the best event for you to attend because you're hardly going to fly to Australia to clean someone's carpet who you might meet at this expo, right? So, where it's like an international event, it's probably not going to be the best thing for you. But let's say it's like the Washington DC Real Estate Association Expo or something like that, and it's all businesses that have got booths to do with real estate, and it's clear it's in your state only, or its focus is on your city, and that's a great one to do. So definitely the location and the kind of people that are going to be there is obviously going to be of big importance. The other thing as well, the number of participants at the event. The bigger the event, the more chances you'll have to make the necessary connections. If it's just some small thing at some kids, at some community centre, and there's only going to be 50 people there or something, or 100 people, it's probably not that much worth it. But if it's in a huge exhibition space and there's going to be a lot of people and a lot of opportunities, those are the ones worth investing in. Those are the ones worth renting out a booth for. And then of course, the type of business that the event is dedicated to is of course massively important. You need to look for businesses that are going to be in need of carpet and floor cleaning services. So again, if it's like a real estate expo, that'd be perfect, right? There's going to be lots of real estate people there, and real estate agents typically need carpet cleaners when they're putting together a home to do viewings and showings and open houses. They probably need someone to come in and clean the carpets, and some of these realtors might have hundreds of properties on the market, and it could be a great opportunity for you to secure some amazing contracts. So realtors is really, really good. Anything to do with hotels, for example, anything to do with the catering industry, restaurants, these are all people that, need their carpets cleaned regularly and probably professionally, especially in restaurants where there's stains, wine being spilled, so on and so forth. And so you imagine you get a booth at an expo for restaurants and restaurateurs, and it's like a city-wide event, or it covers your state or whatever, and you've got a booth there, and you've literally got restaurant owners from all over your city coming and talking to you, literally in front of them, and there's hundreds and hundreds of them attending this expo. You could pick up multiple restaurant contacts from having a booth there. So that's the third thing, as you can see on the slide deck there. Pay attention to the type of business that the event is dedicated to. You'd probably, for example, wouldn't attend an expo for the dental practice, right, for the dental industry, but restaurants, they need their carpets cleaned all the time. So give that a thought, the type of business that this is dedicated to. Here are a few more more ideas. So yeah, property agencies, real estate space, renovation specialists, interior design. So an interior design type expo in your local area could be huge. You can have loads of homeowners attending it, right? Maybe homeowners that have recently moved in, things like that may want to get their carpets professionally cleaned in the home that they've just bought. You could have a special running there or something like that, and you could literally get booked out. Imagine interior home designer show, 1,000 people attend, 2,000 people over the course of a weekend. You've got a booth there. You've got maybe like your truck on display there with, you know, with the wrap on it. It looks really cool. Maybe you've got like a couple of video screens up and it shows you like cleaning the carpet, and maybe that amazing before and after kind of thing going on like a loop, on a video loop. And you've got some flyers, some educational material, some business cards, and you could literally be running a special, have a tablet and be like literally booking people in all weekend at something like an interior designer show. Hospitality companies, catering companies, and expos around all of that kind of thing can be huge as well. But sometimes it can also make sense to kind of think out of the box and look at less obvious options. For example, an expo or a trade show for the pet industry could be huge. And if you've got tons of pet owners, the New York Pet Show, November 2022, right? Like you've got suddenly thousands of pet owners in your local area attending this expo, and you're there talking about your carpet cleaning, your eco-friendly carpet cleaning. If you watched the last video, you could definitely put a spotlight on that, about how your cleaning is safe for pets and stuff like that, and about how important it is to get the bacteria out of the carpet if your pet's had an accident or whatever, in terms of your own health. And again, you've got like thousands of people attending a pet event for pet owners that are potentially going to be customers for you that do need their carpets cleaned because their pets do have accidents, and you could literally be booked out just from having a stand there for the next couple of months. So think out of the box. Things like pet specialist shows and things like that can be awesome as well. Next up is our top 7 tips how to succeed at the trade show. Number 1, plan and prepare. Get the right look for your booth. Like I say, tablecloth signage, some kind of tablet to book people in, maybe like a video screen with the video on a loop, business cards, flyers, educational material as well. Like have some kind of like brand pitch, like a, you know, if you could describe what your business does in like 3 or 4 sentences, like a 30-second explanation of what you do, and have that practiced and rehearsed so that you can just like pop it off. Oh, so what do you do? Oh, so we basically are the #1 floor cleaning business in the state of New York, and we specialize in eco-friendly carpet cleaning for pet owners like you. Have some kind of hook line specific to that event, rehearse it, and it's like, oh wow, cool, and then you can move into getting them booked from there. Have some kind of giveaway, have some kind of special. You could have like, hey, you know, it's going to be 20% discount, or you're going to get a free room if you schedule today at the expo, and we're going to also give you a free bottle of spotting kit or whatever. It's got your company logo on. So yeah, like have some kind of special. It's going to get people on the end of the fishing rod. It's going to get people scheduling in with you, and done right, you could end up being completely booked out and be in a position where you need to hire more techs, maybe even get a second van, right? Next up is bring a colleague or a friend who is passionate about taking your floor cleaning business to the next level. Have fun and enjoy talking to people. So if you're an owner operator, bring someone along with you, like a buddy and stuff, something like that. It gives you someone to sort of vibe off and kind of interact with, have a bit of banter with, and that always kind of creates like a cool atmosphere in the booth. And then this is really important, find time to go around other booths to introduce yourself and exchange business cards and information, because like I said, there could be other exhibitors at the trade show, at the expo, that you could actually partner with and send business each other's way. You could have, you know, the #1 pet food distributor in America's there, or in your state or your city, the #1 supplier that's got a huge database of potential customers, and in their email marketing they could drop an offer for your carpet cleaning business and do a mail out. And you could do the same. If you're a pet owner, anybody that schedules with us, you get a free tester bag of this pet food, right? And there's ways that you can send each other business and help to promote each other. So do go take that time to go and introduce yourself and build relationships with the other exhibitors too. Final thoughts: renting a booth at an industry specific event can significantly boost your floor cleaning business, build brand awareness, and make you the go-to floor cleaning specialist for new businesses in the area. Although initially it might take some time and effort, and of course some outlay, because, you know, renting a booth for these things do cost money. It will undoubtedly give you a unique opportunity to reach niche businesses and secure great deals. So that's the end of this video. I really hope that you enjoyed it and got some value out of it. If you did, don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button down below so that you get notified when the next video comes out. And if you'd like to find out a little bit more about working with us on a one-on-one basis, head down to the description where you'll find a link to our website where you'll be able to book a call. Thanks.